Got it. Hey. Zip tie one around the stack and throw it. He's run like a girl. It's gonna be an epic video. Hey, come down here for a second. Phil, come down for a second. That's what she said. Hey, be careful. Got everybody working today. This is how we do it. Put plywood, protect the yard, so no damage to the yard. Brand new sod. In and out, no problem. Warm up a little bit. Motor's still cold. Trimming all these trees above this brand new house. Tree line. Cut it!
Get the fuck over, you stupid fuck. You're a stupid motherfucker. Get the fuck over, man. People cannot drive, man. Everybody's in a hurry to get nowhere. 2 cars on the road, they will not share the road. It's a race. Frickin' race. Trying to get people to get over, they will not get over. This guy. He's gonna run me over. He's gonna run me over. People do not pay attention. We got a half mile to pull over, they will not pay attention. Yeah, we'll probably say we're just being extra careful. We don't want one of those logs bouncing and going out the street and someone hitting it. There's too many cars coming. Holy mackerel. Too many cars, I can't wave all those over. These people are running me over. Yeah, not gonna get over, dude. Yeah, he's not listening. He don't give a shit. He don't care. He does not care. Alright, I'll step out in the road again. 2 foot out. These people actually hit you. If you don't yell, they'll run you right over. You're not even paying attention. You can do maybe 1 or 2 cars, any more than 2. They will not get over. They'd rather hit you than try to get over. That's why I'm filming this. Yeah, just because you have a big yellow suit on and got 10, 20 tons around you, it doesn't matter. When you're filming them as they're hitting you, yeah, we're probably good. Probably good, but better safe than sorry. They don't get over, I'm gonna jump out the road, but these guys, man, they're going like 90 too. Look at these people. People are nuts. Look at that. See if these guys get over. Yeah, these guys. Look, some of these people are on their phones. Couple more cuts and we're home clear. Yeah, couple more cuts and we are good to go. I think I have the most dangerous job. Yeah, see, I'm not gonna be able to stop these people. I'm just gonna get out of the way, these people are nuts. Yeah, they do not care. I'm gonna hit a piece of wood because she is not moving. She's gonna run right into a tree. See that happen? That log bounced out on the road? If someone would have ran me over and hit that log? Sometimes you can't control that log. It takes a weird bounce. It can land right out on the road. And these people are not going to stop. They will run you slap over. They're too busy. They don't care. They're too busy. They're in a hurry. You ever see this car? He's in a hurry. He's going to hit something. You're going to hit something. Alright, I'll step out a little bit. Yeah, if you actually force these people over, you cause an accident. Because these people, a lot of people are just watching their phones, they're not paying attention to what's going on. Good, good, good. One more cut and we should be good to go. This guy's gonna hit me. This guy's actually gonna hit me. Woo-wee. At least I'll have footage of someone hitting me. This guy, he's not. You're not getting in front of these cars. These people do not care. Oh!